So welcome everybody. Today we will learn what are HTML images. So let's start. The HTML IMG element embeds an image into the document. The source attribute is required and contains the path to the image you want to embed. The alt attribute holds a text description of the image, which isn't mandatory but is incredibly useful for accessibility. Screen readers read this description out to their users so they know what the image means. Alt text is also displayed on the page if the image can't be loaded for some reason, for example network errors, content blocking or link rot. Let me show you an example. Let me create a file called images.html and load the structure. Also give the title as HTML images like this, and also the IMG tag. Here it is, there are two attributes, source src and alt. Okay, let me find a image to link it called images. Okay, in nature, and yes, this copy image address and paste it here. Also we will study about that after a while, about alt attribute, and see if I loaded it. See, it is the same image that we saw there. Okay, let me find other images like this one. Okay, and I will download it now in the image and name it as img.png. Okay, and downloaded, and it came here. Now as it is showing, let me close this, and yes, let me load it here. img.png, this one, and if I see, it is the same image that we are seeing, this image. Okay, it is fully the same image. And if I give it, let us study about alt. If I give it the alt attribute like HTML image, okay, now it is showing nothing. And if it can't load, like the file name is wrong, and if I save it, see, it is giving me HTML image. If I give HTML images, it is saying HTML images. And if I give nothing, then one mountain picture like this. Okay, so this is the usefulness of alt. If I also give any URL and give the alt like that, it will also work. And the reasons are like network errors, content blocking or link rot. Okay, so HTML images src attribute that we studied. The required src attribute specifies the path URL to the image. HTML images alt attribute. The required alt attribute provides an alternate text for an image if the user for some reason cannot view it because of slow connection and error in the source attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader. Okay, like this. So these are HTML images. If you want to learn more about HTML, go to my channel. There will be more videos of HTML, and also the links are in the description below. So today we have learned what HTML images. We will meet in the next video. Bye.